Must Wants. Today we're diving into the My Priorities feature, designed to make finding your dream home a breeze. Must Wants is built by military for those moving. The power of visual collaboration to truly help in your decision making, whether by yourself or with a partner. Start by selecting My Priorities from the dashboard. In just a few taps, you can organize your home buying preferences. Want a home with a specific budget or size? Simply adjust the sliders. As you can see here, I'm just adjusting the sliders based on my desires in a home. You can even add personalized features such as pool, HOA, patio, or rooms such as office, laundry, or gym to organize and communicate your desires further. You can prioritize those desires by hitting the reorder priorities and then adjusting them based on your desires. This will change the algorithm and organize your homes more effectively than any other product that exists on the market. This was specifically designed by military to more effectively communicate the desires in a home to a family member that they're working with. For example, as you can see here, these homes are prioritized based on a percentage which reflect the desired homes for myself. I can then go over and look at my partner and see what she has indicated for her desires in a home. We are unique because MustWants is not deleting homes. We are merely organizing those homes for you to effectively communicate with your chosen professional. Once you've set your priorities, MustWants will deliver that curated list that you can heart from and then rank those homes. And we'll show you that in another video. Remember, MustWants does not sell your personal information, unlike most real estate products and veteran real estate services. We pride ourselves in protecting you and not monetizing you and your family. Ready to find your perfect home? Download MustWants today and let My Priorities guide you to your next dream home.